Alrighty then. I'm at the Pacific Beach. It's Charger Steve's Pacific Beach event, which I did not put the LC 500 in because, too much of a pain in the ass, and I don't care about prizes. Not why I like cars. Look at this bug. Holy shit, that thing is clean. There's one clean bug. Looks like he's got a lot of awards for it too. I like that, kind of like factory black. Wow, I don't know if I've ever seen a bug this clean. Something else. Huh. Last time I saw one of these, my mom was driving it and I was 10. And it was a piece of shit. Look at the T-nut. I saw that pipe coming out the side. Oh yeah. Got some balls on it. Right here, 65. Right. Coming over here, we've seen these before. Saw this. Saw this guy's very clean 63 at the last show. Yeah, nice. Nice intake. Oh, we got a Chevy 2 over there. Gotta check that out. I'm gonna have to get a 16 millimeter lens. This isn't quite wide enough for these purposes. Gotta stand back too much. Sorry guys, I'm trying out the higher quality glass to see how it comes out. Also stereo sound, but none of these are running, so that doesn't matter. But here's one of my favorites. This is this is not a 66, 64, 65, 64 Nova. Not one of my favorites. The 66, 67 are my favorite, personally. The one thing that's a drawback with all of them, though, is they're all subframes. So you have to complete the frame if you really want to have a formidable ride on your hands. And that Challenger Classic. Go back over here. I hope this thing is adjusting. I did not set anything in the camera, guys. It's just on autofocus. Standard automatic exposure. I'm not going to mess with all that until I do this a couple of times, and this is non-typical conditions as well. It's actually cloudy, which is unusual in Southern California. Not as unusual when you're down at the beach, but look at this ride. Whoa! No. Pretty cool. Classic.
Trying to go like, I wonder what it would look like if there was a benchmark.
Ah, it's got a supercharger on it. I don't know if that's factory or not, but that is a supercharger right there, folks. It's probably factory because this is a GT500. I'm assuming that it is. But you can tell I don't know. It's a 55 Bel Air, I believe. This is a 78 Camaro. I want to say. It may not be a 78. I'm not as solid as I once was on the years of all these things. Let's see, I'm trying to get these vets down straight. Let's see which one this is. This is a 2016 Corvette. It doesn't say which one it is. That's so annoying. I've got a million variations of the Corvette. So we just don't know unless it says whether it's a Z07 or, well, you can tell if it's a ZR1 because it's got massive rear tires on it. But
Well, the fire could have was.
God, I hope I have Steadicam on.
Keith! Keith! Keith!
Yeah,
What
it
do you
is.
haven't seen? Oh, you put the vinyl top back on. There's a 67. Let's look at this caddy though. Caddy convertibles. Pretty badass. Is that your Is that your caddy?
Yeah.
72?
70.
70.
Yeah.
Is that the original paint?
No, there's nothing original about this.
Okay, it kind of looked like it was. Oh yeah, I can tell it's
Probably
been.
it was a red car at one time.
Yeah, I can tell it's been repainted now that I
Yeah.
look. But
If you go into my Instagram Cadillac and you'll see different
stages of the refit.
Well, just different things that I do with
Is this one yours over here?
No, that's one of my buddies. He's down.
That's super clean too.
That's a nice one.
He put some time into it.
Then my other buddy was a
Ah, yeah, 69. It looks like 69. Is that a 69?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are gotten pretty valuable.
If they're real, they're very valuable.
Yeah, I have the one. I have a 67 Super Sport Chevelle, which is like that one, but much cleaner than that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love these cars. I've had it since I was a kid. This one's not very straight, unfortunately. It's the same thing I have, but mine's a resto mod. And it doesn't. This is kind of like cleaned up. It's not really restoed. Sure, it's not the original paint either, but that's not to be expected. Really, painted last time I went back in the day. Kind of a cool intake he's got on that Z78.
Add these things, the one that's on the hood. The todo original.
Cobra. GT350. Oh, Barracuda. That's a 70 something, 3 or something. Who belongs to the GT350? Oh, is that yours? Is it an original? So that's the way they came with no back seats? Oh, it does. They just fold it down? Oh, okay. Oh, you could? Okay. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. So it's been stored inside since it was new? Yeah. I have a 67 Super Sport Chevelle. I've had it since I was 15 and a half, so, you know, that's about the same amount of time. Been in a garage the whole time, too. So, yeah, a lot of them end up getting stored after you run off to college, and then that's that, right?
Gets better and better.
Clean. Supercharged LSA. Let's see if it says ZL1. So I assume that's the highest output. Is this your Camaro?
Yeah.
What's the, this is the highest output Camaro, right?
Actually, yeah.
It is. What's the like 0 to 60 quarter mile on it from out of the box?
I don't really know.
Do you know the specs on the engine?
Yeah.
What is it, horsepower, torque wise?
Well, it's 576
Hor-
torque.
Okay.
And 580 actually.
Horsepower, yeah. So it's probably like 3-second quarter to 0 to 60 ish.
Oh yeah.
Probably in that range,
You know,
depending on how it's geared.
The C28 is supposed to be faster than this in a quarter mile because it's a little bit lighter.
Yeah, I know the weight makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Huge.
300 pounds lighter.
Yeah, I know. It's not even worth it to me. I don't care about being fast in the quarter. I care about comfort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
7-liter motor on the
Oh yeah, I know. It looks. That's why I figured a LSA supercharged got to be close to the highest output. But yeah, they probably make a version that's a 1,200 horsepower too, just like the ZR1, right?
ZR1, yeah, ZR1X.
Yeah, the one with the hybrid one. Very cool.
Yeah, 580 horsepower is nothing nowadays, you know.
No, I mean, yeah, I have an
They're
I have an LC 500. It only has just under 500 horsepower, and it's not even considered that quick. But it still does, 3 point something 0 to 60. It's enough for me.
Have a good day.
You too.
Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's an e-ticket, right? People don't know what e-tickets are anymore.
E. Tommaso Pantera. You don't see a lot of these anymore. Is this your Pantera?
It is.
What do you got in it?
Cobra Jet Ford.
It's a small block, right?
321, they call it small block.
Yep. It's not the Cleveland block, is it?
It is.
Oh, it's a Cleveland block.
Cobra Jet.
Yeah, no, I don't.
The boss and the Cobra Jet run the Cleveland.
How long have you owned this thing?
This one's 20. I just painted it a few weeks ago. I had another one before this for 15, so I let him cure.
Where'd you find it?
This one I got from a guy in Anaheim who got it from the used car lot, so I don't know the history.
Wow.
It's one of those ones that's been written hard and put away wet.
Well, yeah, that's probably hard to find one of these
A lot
that
of my
has
friends
it.
are curators. They don't drive theirs, and their cars are fucking nice.
Well, yeah, but what's the point if you never drive it?
You can keep them clean if you ain't fucking driving them.
Yeah, exactly.
I drive
No.
mine every weekend. I don't bother cleaning it. I'd rather drive it.
Yeah, no, I really love the Pantera. If I ever find one at a reasonable price, I'll probably buy it. But wow.
I just had a price for 110 before.
Yeah, no, I know. They're worth a lot, even in bad.
Tripled in 3 years. Jay
Yeah.
said good things about them.
Well, they'll untriple in the next bad economy, so I'll just wait for
I
that.
hope not.
Well, you can bet on it. That's just the way the economy works. But most people just don't sell them when the economy's shitty, right? Unless they have
I
to.
thought people would start getting. I mean, I don't know what those Lamborghinis are like to fucking pass smog and shit.
Yeah,
I lived
people don't register them in California.
I lived in the 80s in California where you had to smog them, you had to find crooked smog people to do it.
Oh yeah, I think you could probably still find those guys if you look.
Because there was no way the car was passing.
No.
way.
Well, in the 80s, most cars, I mean, my car, I have a 67, didn't even worry, never had to pass smog, so I never worried about it.
If you remember, I had a 65 Mustang. You could have a supercharger coming out of the hood. But at 60, that's where the
Yeah.
going off. 66, needed EGR, couldn't have the Holley carburetor,
Yeah.
couldn't have headers, couldn't have a cam, couldn't have any of that.
No. Yeah, mine's got all that.
And back when you
But-
got an engine rebuilt, the guy said, if you want a cam, you don't get a warranty. You want a performance cam, no warranty.
Well, yeah.
Now, you get a 700 horse warranty with 3-year unlimited mile warranty.
Yeah, it's pretty
Guys are
crazy.
buying them and going on those cruises, those hot
Well,
rods.
because those guys, the builders have figured out that most people don't drive them like they stole them, so they're not going to blow them up. Some do.
They're on track with them.
Yeah.
3-year warranty. I did track.
But you also have a computer running the thing, and so they can tell if it's been on the track, and they can say, "Oh, you voided your
You don't
warranty."
necessarily need a computer.
Computer's just proof. Look at this Woody. Oh, this is a 20 millimeter lens, and it's just not wide enough. So I don't know whether this is going to be a good ticket or not. We'll see. These are all starting to look familiar. different setup than mine. Got more space for it in that car. I wonder if I could bury my Viair pumps underneath that rear deck. It'd be more practical. Flashy Corvette. There's the Ford from the, oh, this is cool. Look at this ride. It's hard to probably get perspective on this. This is like a commercial truck. What year's your truck?
It is a 66.
66.
Yes, sir.
No, is this a commercial body? It is,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's a GMC 4000.
Sweet. Yeah, the guy, I don't think he's here, but he built this like rat rod style, calls it a fleet side, but it's a cab over, and he's got a similar body on it in the front, but it's totally different approach.
For
than what
sure.
you've done.
I think I know
yours
what
is
you're
really,
talking about.
Yours is super cool.
I appreciate that, bro.
I have a video on it. Do you want to? Well, I'd have to probably do a separate video on this. What is the back end? What's the rear end in this?
So it's from a Kodiak truck. The front end and the rear end are from a Kodiak truck.
Right. And this Heim joint just keeps it under control.
Yes, sir.
And what are you running engine-wise in this?
It's a 1988 Cummins 4VT turbo.
A what?
A
Turbo?
Cummins.
Cummins.
Yep.
So
yes, sir.
it's you said an 80?
88.
80. Is that a Gen 1 or 2?
Gen 1.
Gen 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, I have a 07 5.9 Cummins
Okay.
in my truck.
You got
but-
the big boy Cummins.
Yeah, no, it's a great engine.
It's almost bulletproof.
Yeah, no, I got one of the very last ones built.
Very cool.
Yeah, and it's kind of resto modded, but I really need to finish it. I like it. This is super cool. This is like the most, I think it's the most creative ride here.
I appreciate that.
And that's what I actually like is some stuff
Fun.
that, yeah. And if you want to pull a 20,000 pound trailer, go right ahead.
Absolutely.
So. The good thing about this camera is it does actually have it. This is an f1.2 f-stop lens, so it's super good at transitioning to low light. Look at that, he can hold like probably 200 gallons of fuel. Or is
Yes,
that 100?
sir, yeah.
How much is there in there?
There's 33 gallons each.
Okay, so it's
Yes,
only
sir.
66, but
Yes,
still,
sir.
you got a huge range.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Huh. Why did hide those amplifiers? But anyways, sky turbo, these things are just
Yeah, it is an angry for sure.
You'd say the same thing about my car.
For real?
What?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
Oh no,
I
no.
was like, this is an angry MG, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. No, I know. I was just saying that I'm talking for my video.
Oh, nice.
So
I
the
didn't even-
factory, they're not as fast as they should be. But,
These ones?
Yeah. But yeah.
That 600 horsepower is not 600 to the shit.
Yeah. No, they're. It's funny that they're not like just quicker. I think it's because they're so heavy.
Is this the GT or the SLR?
That one's a GT, I think. This lowrider, this is badass. There's controls down there. interior?
Oh, it came out of like that original.
That's original? The interior?
Like that, with the black light.
Oh, wow.
The guy ordered
Oh, wow. So you take some really good care of it. Wow. Yeah, it looks great. I was going to say, I want to.
liver?
What's that?
What is that, chopped liver?
Pretty much. That's bot talent. This is creative. Yeah. Yeah, no, I appreciate the ones that people pour their hearts into a lot more. Yeah, that's awesome. No. Does he have hydraulics or air ride? Air? Okay. Sweet. Look at how clean that bodywork is. Holy shit. Wow. Run to throw in. The Mercedes are also pieces of shit. Anybody that watched my other videos already knows how I feel about them. What happens when you buy one. Well, I'm glad I decided to do both sides of the street because there's a lot more cars here than I thought there was going to be. Dragster. See if we can come across Charger Steve. I haven't seen him yet. Is this one of them? Yeah. Guys, where's Charger Steve hanging out at?
He's on the golf cart. He's kind of roaming around.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'll catch him on my way back. I'm right in the middle of filming this. I'll hold it. Charge. You don't want to be. I saw this one at Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. Is this your bet? Who did all your carbon fiber? Who's that made by? SSF? I have a kit that's made in Japan. It's on an LC, so made by Liberty Walk. But I was wondering, because it's super clean, does it work? Do they do other cars too?
No, yeah, kind of. They do Viper.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, they make the fenders, they make all the trim.
Yeah, it's really cool. What is this? What model?
It's a base model Corvette.
So what is the engine in it then?
LS2.
LS2.
Yeah, this is 2005.
Okay.
So it's the first year it came out.
And did you pull the supercharger on it? Did I see
No,
it?
so I bought this on Reagan Trailers.
Okay.
So the previous owner, he installed the white body kit.
Ah.
He sent it to Lincoln Filter, they did the head, the
Oh,
cab.
very cool.
So I bought it on that auction site.
Yeah.
It only had 5,900 miles on it.
Well, you gotta love that. Yeah, instant show car.
Then I made the wheels for it. I put it on airbags, you know.
Yeah, no, it's like I have an LS 500, similar situation.
Yeah.
And I have a Viair and an ABC sled and all that, and
You have a picture of it? Can I see it?
I can when I come back by, I'll show it to you because I'm filming right now. So I saw this. I saw you at Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee a few weeks ago. I noticed the kit. The only way I probably would buy a Corvette is if it was trash, and I could turn it into a what do they call those, like skeleton rig, where it's just basically taking the whole body off of it to lighten it up to the back. It's got the transaxle, so it's more better weight distribution or something. So it's just flat out tear up the road, or rally style car, reinforce the frame, go crazy on it. Turn it into a crazy racing and rally ride. I may have to do that at some point, but I need to get a shop. I swear. I have the use of one. Not worth it.
We have those in VA where I live in Ohio, so I go to the Ohio VA.
Holy shit. Steve's got better organization skills than I thought. He's got a lot of people here. Must have been doing this for a while. Let's see. Wow, this is clean. 60,
Got more judges across the street there.
62. Very clean. Is this yours? Yours? Yeah, man, you spent some time on this, huh?
I don't claim this.
Yeah, look at that. Nice body work. Did you do it yourself or did you pay somebody to do it?
I can't hear you.
Oh, did you do the body yourself?
I had a place out in El Cajon.
Which place?
SoCal Paintworks.
Okay. Did they do the interior too?
No, Lindy's up in La Mesa did that.
Lindy's? Is that spelled with a Y or an I? You know, it's spelled Lindy's in El Cajon?
It's on El Cajon Boulevard, about 72nd Street in La
Okay.
Mesa.
That's their work. I got to have an interior and headliner done on a 67 Super Sport. So I need to find somebody to do it.
They're a good shop.
Yeah.
There are very few shops around there.
I know, and getting quality work done. Usually you pay a lot and get mediocre work these days. So very clean, nice.
So anyway, stop by Paul Auto here. Extremely generous, and they are also sponsored by the National School. Supporters, I know that they have
Suicide door, wagon. I'm speeding up a little bit, guys, because the cars at this end aren't quite as interesting to me, at least. But that's doesn't mean they're not interesting to you guys, but they run it slow and all. Don't see many of these anymore. There's two Panteras here. Just don't see a lot of them. I'm surprised there's two at one show.
Brother?
Let's see what he's got done
Saga
to
Bay, he has cabañas there, and there's a landing strip. I can land there. It switches just south of San Pedro.
Who belongs to the Pantera? It's yours? How long have you had it?
About a year and a half.
Oh, really? So you bought it from the guy that built it, or did you build it?
I built
You built it? What did it look like when you bought it?
it. A lot of it was in boxes.
Oh, really? So it's just in somebody's garage, all taken apart?
It was painted, but that's about it.
Oh, cool. Well, they did a lot of the most tedious part of it for you, the painting. It's an interesting color.
That's the original
Oh, it is? Okay. What did Di Tommaso call this?
colors.
Yeah.
Green.
Huh. Yeah, that's very. This is one of the few cars I would probably go to the trouble of restoring if I could find one. Yeah. Very cool. Just two Panteras at one show. You don't see that very often.
Oh, the white went down there?
Yeah.
John T.
Yep.
You didn't take pictures of his engine, did you?
Oh well, he hasn't. He clearly doesn't care that much. So more power to him. At least he's got one. This is a Giardo. This is there's a 67, another 67 convertible. Nice. Is this your 67?
Not mine, I don't know.
Okay. What's that? Oh, it probably does. I was just going to ask him if he was here about it. Samuel Brolin. All right.
Like
6.6 liter Trans Am, Smokey and the Bandit Special. Oh, this must be actually be a Night Rider car, because look at all this crap in there. All right. 55 there. Corvette. Pretty cool.
All right, all you guys out there looking at those Volkswagens. We got a car sale
AMX
coming
Club.
up December 20th.
It seems.
ID. Go to SDACC.net. And all the car shows in San Diego are at SDACC.net. San Diego Airport car show September 20th. Out on the pier. Make sure you go check them out. You can ask any of the VW guys.
Surprised you could find this many of these things. Crazy looking at that. Rider. Hey, look at this drifter first, though. Seems like something we'd see in Thailand. This thing is drift ready. Well, the owner's not here, so I can't ask him about it, but this is pretty badass.
Cookie Dixie raffle tickets right here.
Let's see what he's got going on in there. You guys can see what he's got going on the engine. At least whatever you can see on top. This is a sleek ass chop top. It's a 50 Mercury custom chop top. Now that is clean. Air seen that before.
You did quite the
Get up here.
the bug. We'll have to go back over
Whipped up to the buggy brown man, straight back from down an 8-beat band. Cut me savvy and you understand. Here's my face, I do the grand. Got me here to swing and I want to swing it down. Now you say there's nowhere your women come for love. Ryan, throw back a bottle of beer. Ryan, I'm all home for that motor.
Holy crap. All sorts of genres here. That's a cool looking bug. It's got rhino liner all over it. One way to not spend any time prepping. That's probably a good thing. Ah, 46%. We're good. We're good.
Hey, you guys can not be in Holy, close to the end. Opting the batteries, the shitty batteries.
Definitely don't stack up.
Any other manufacturers? Really cool. You recognize the body.
Over here.
Check this out.
65 Riviera Buick. That's 62 Thunder Chicken. Thunderbird.
Morris Mini.
That's a European car. That's from England.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this cool seat. Very cool.
And that's what it
got the Rail Rider.
Yeah. Do you remember the movie?
No,
Adrian?
I do.
Oh, Rail Rider. How about one with Warrior?
The Whale Rider?
The what?
The Whale Rider.
Oh yeah, that's really cool.
Okay.
It's more of a up-to-date version of the Maori
Okay.
culture in New Zealand.
Okay.
You know, there's the old culture, and then there's the new culture. There's the royalty and the poor, you know. But it's a sort of a almost a little bit.
Very cool.
Hold on for a second.
Okay, yeah, thanks. Thanks for talking to you.
Wow, look at that.
Waiting for crumbs.
There's some hydraulics for you. That's what I'm talking about. The roof. Everything's done.
Is it Joey's a 72 Olivia?
Joey's is a 73.
Crazy. Detailed the batteries.
Just in case it bursts into flames, I get it before we
That's clean. 68.
Yeah.
Who belongs to the caddy?
I don't know.
Huh.
Nobody's been around that thing.
Is this yours?
That's mine.
Who did your interior?
No. What's that spot? The famous one here in San Diego.
It's not Lindy's, right?
Lindy's.
Oh, Lindy's did it?
Lindy's.
Okay.
I-
El Cajon?
Yeah, Lindy said yeah.
Ah, they do everybody.
Yeah, for the classics, I mean, they know what they're doing.
Yeah, well, I'm about ready to do a 67, so I need to get somebody that's really good.
Yeah, I mean, they're trusted in with old school cars. They know
Right.
how to disassemble and stuff, so I would, can't go wrong, you know.
Yeah, I know. This is really cool. Wow. I like that. Both of these.
No, you got it way higher.
What is this? Is this one yours? Yeah. Who did the interior on this?
A guy named Rex out of Vista.
Is he does he still work or is he retired?
Yeah, he's got his own little shop, Rex Upholstery.
Rex Upholstery?
Yeah.
He does like
He's a younger guy.
Riddler builds, like really, really high-end stuff.
Okay.
And,
I should talk to him. I don't know if I want to spend as much as he probably charges. But
Yeah.
He was actually pretty.
Where's he in Chula Vista?
Vista.
Oh, he's in Vista. He's up
Yeah.
in North County.
Yeah.
Okay, Rex Interiors or
Rex Upholstery.
Rex Upholstery. Okay. I'm gonna take a look at the interior on the.
Here, bring your camera over here. You can.
Yeah, I know.
Take a
This is
picture of the
super
label.
clean. Who did your body work?
This is like 30 years old.
That's not original paint, right?
No, but it's an old ass paint job. The guy I got it from had it done a long time ago.
Wow.
Here's his badge if you want to.
Oh, cool. Yeah, no, for sure. I should like take a picture of that with my camera. Look at the interior on this thing. Did you just finish it off?
Yeah, he did a great job.
Yeah, the paint is beautiful. Is this lacquer?
It is, yeah.
It looks like it. It's like you don't see a lot of lacquer.
No, you can actually. It's got a little spot. It's really
See
hard
a
to
little
see.
imperfection there.
Right here, there's a red. It's the red oxides coming through.
I could see the red tint because I'm wearing polarized sunglasses, and that's one of the reasons I thought it looks so cool. It doesn't look. It looks cool without them too, but these are like these are a green tint kind of glasses, but I see the red in the paint, which is like really cool. Yeah, I see a couple. This is what's happening to my 67.
That's a fairly new paint job on the head too.
Yeah, well, just like it was just they caught some oxidation that they didn't get out completely.
Well, the funny thing was, I took it and I specifically pointed out that problem, and I go, you got to go down to the metal. And
Right.
2 different painters did the same shit, and it came through.
If they have to, they have to go through the metal, you know,
Yeah, even dig in.
and then patch it.
Anyways,
Yeah, it's like super hard to. That's super hard to fix. But they should know better.
Rex is great. He's got a
Yeah.
little waiting list, but he's really good.
No, I will definitely hit them up because I would love to just fix it. I don't care how long it takes because I don't even drive the car. So. Yeah, the actor?
No, it's worth the conversation with him. It's worth to talk to him. I'll write it down.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Cool. Well, a nice car. What's your name? Jim? Jeff. Garrett. Nice to meet you. It'll be on. So I have a site called Collector on YouTube. Collector, like Collector with a G. So at Collector, and your car will be on there. This is a long video though. I started way down there, so it'll be towards the end.
Your rotor,
Nice to meet you, Jeff.
the fender, your regulator caliper. They give all the measurements. We built it.
Yeah, there's another Chevy 2 Malibu 64. I want to say. I don't know. This is a 63 Suburban, which I didn't even think they made them in 63. I wonder if this is a trip. Apache 10.
So we're always like, what's the hottest, best you can run, you know?
Is this a original 63, or is it? Did you make it?
Yes,
Did it come like this? Was it come like a Suburban?
it's a 63 Suburban 4x4, yes.
And it came that way.
Yeah, but it's about 7 different trucks put into one.
Okay.
But it is a 63 Suburban. It's
But
got,
the lines were the same when it came from the factory.
yes.
I've never seen one. I had a 63 Chevy pickup truck.
Well, from the doors to the front is a pickup truck.
Right. That's why I knew it was a 63 because only the 63 had the wraparound windshield.
But I got a GMC hood on a Chevy truck.
Well, that's okay. It's the same thing. Came out of the same stamp.
You said it.
Yeah. No, mine. I gave it to my godfather, and he was towing it back to Oregon and wrecked it. But it had a 425 horsepower, balanced blueprinted 327 in it. I put a turbo 350 in it with a solid shift kit. It would chirp through the gears. It was
What part of
badass.
Oregon you from?
I'm not from California. This was up in Camarillo, where I drove that truck around when I was in high school up there.
Nice.
So all my friends used to pile in the back. We'd take it to Mexico.
Yeah.
We're lucky we lived through that
We
phase.
had one with all the seats, and we called it the Cool Bus.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like your bikes too.
Thank
They're
you.
awesome.
Thank you. I appreciate it. He's got into motorcycle.
69 Bronco. I had a 68. Mine wasn't as clean as this, but it was more capable. Mine was a full-on. Had a roll cage like that, but I only had one bucket seat in the back, in the middle. It was a straight-out, flat-out rock crawler. Much taller than this one, and crazy to drive. It was kind of dangerous on the road. Detachable sway bars, all that shit. Oh my God, this is crazy. This Corvette is completely altered.
Yeah. How to get, right? So that's me right there.
Go back over here and take a look at these before I run out of battery. One thing that comes to mind when I look at that Corvette is it's overdone. That's probably what he was going for, though. This is what I don't even know what to say. It's nuts. 1,000 miles per hour. Fastest Corvette in history.
You like that? You see all that stuff?
All right, the problem with carrying this camera is it's very heavy. The stereo mic and all that. It's a A7C2, which is a good camera, not the best, but almost prosumer level. A lot of pros would say it's not, but it's a good camera for stuff like this because it's about the lightest mirrorless that you're going to get, and the Sennheiser stereo mic is not too bad as far as weight goes either. But it does get heavy holding it the whole time. All this time at the show. That is the end, guys. So
I'm not in a club, but I always
We
always
are.
think of these guys. I think it's on October 3rd out of 6-1.
look at that, 6? Something like that. Well, we've seen all that, guys, so I think I'm going to call it quits on this video. Like and subscribe if you want me to keep doing these sort of things, because I'm not going to do it if nobody likes it. And if I got anything wrong in the video, which is highly likely, correct me in the comments, because I'd like to have people get the right info about these cars. I just say what I can remember, and sometimes my memory's not right. So go ahead and feel free to respectfully criticize my comments and things that I'm wrong about. Don't care so much about the opinions. Great, but I'd really like to know when I get the facts wrong. I think that's it. Look at the paint on this, like the modeling. It's really cool. It's clear coated over the original paint. Looks like they kind of color sanded it and then clear coated it. See some of the layers of paint. It's probably not the original actually, because it's a multi-layer paint. Anyways, a little bit more filming on my way back to the Ghost Flames on this. You notice a few things when you're going the other direction that I'm going to walk. What?
On your mark, ready, set, let's go.